Hi, this is our bike we rented from Pokhara mountain bike adventure. It's a steel frame from Giant. It's a hardtail, so only suspension in the front. The tires are 2.4 inches wide, which is totally okay for this journey. The brakes are hydraulic disc brakes, which is very important. For the chainring, we have in the front only one chainring, but a big cassette in the back. What we maybe would change the next time is switching to a fully, so full suspension, front and rear. The advantage is faster, better downhill, but also heavier uphill. And the last thing we definitely would recommend for the next time is driving with tubeless tires, because we had 5 punctures in total, and tubeless would be much better there. But overall, we are very happy with the bikes.